All right, students, we're going to graph lines from point slope form. First, we have some horizontal and vertical, our most famous lines of x and negative x. And then the bottom 6, we have point slope form. Okay, so that will cover all of our types of lines between the other video of slope, intercept, and standard form to vertical and horizontal and point slope form here. All right, y equals x, you should know. Most famous line in math, 45 degrees right through the origin. Slope of 1. Okay. There's my slope of 1. Up 1. Right 1. Y-intercept is 0. Goes right through the origin. Okay. Next most famous line in math that you should know is negative. Y equals negative x. Okay. Goes right through the origin. Again, slope is negative 1. So that means down 1, right 1. Down 1, right 1. Or I could change and put the negative in the denominator, and that would be up 1, left 1. So up 1, left 1, up 1, left 1, up 1, left 1. They're all lined up. X equals a number is a vertical line. You need to know that from pre-algebra. So there's x equals 1 right there. Arrows at the end. You put x equals 1 right next to it. Y equals negative x. Y equals x. Okay. Y equals a number is a horizontal line. You should know this already from pre-algebra. All the y's are negative 2. So it's right there. Okay, slope 6, so it's going to be up 6, right 1 from the origin. Notice there's nothing at the end here. I can always put plus 0, so up 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right 1. Or I could go down 6 and left 1, because negative 6 over negative 1 is also positive 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and left 1 right there. Okay, take my ruler and connect them. Okay, arrows at the end. All right, now we get to point slope form. That means it's given a point, and remember in the directions, it says those in point slope form identify the given point and the slope as a fraction with arrows. So they're consistent. So you have to recognize first off what point slope form is. It's y minus y sub 1 equals m times the quantity x minus x sub 1. Okay, x sub 1 comma y sub 1 is the given point, and m is my slope. Okay, you've already written lines, equation of lines with point slope form earlier here. Now you're pulling off the point from it. You're going backwards, taking out the point, identifying the point, plotting that point, and then using the slope that's also given to you in the equation to come up with another point. So y minus 5. If I want to think of that, remember it's y minus, so that means it's going to be the opposite of what minus 5 is. So it's plus 5 for the y. And the opposite of plus 3 is minus 3 for the x. So negative 3, 5. Let's change the color. Negative 3, 5. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right there. Okay, negative 3, 5. And then here's my slope, 2. Slope is 2, and right as a fraction. So that means up 2, right 1. Or I can say negative 2 over negative 1, which would be down 2, left 1. So I can go down to left 1, or I can go up to right 1. They're right in a line. Take my ruler, go right on through them. Okay, and then arrows at the end. And there's my line. Okay. Let's say 19. That really says plus 5. So the opposite of plus 5 is minus 5. That really says minus 4. The opposite of minus 4 is plus 4. So negative 5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4 right there. One, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I need it right here. Okay, negative 5, 4, and then here's my slope, 4. Slope is 4 over 1, which means up 4, right 1, or down 4, left 1. Both of those equal positive 4. Right 5 up 4, so I can go down 4, left 1, or up 4, right 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, right 1. Take my ruler, connect it. Okay. And what has to go at the end of all lines? Arrows. You lose a point. All right, we'll do one more. Let's say 21. We'll do 21 here. So again, it's opposite of positive 2 is negative 2. Opposite of negative 4 is positive 4. So there's my point. Negative 2, 4. Negative 2, 4. My slope, that can be reduced to negative 2 over 1, which means down 2, right 1. Down 2, right 1. Down 2, right 1. Or I could change where the negative is and put in the denominator instead, and then there'd be up 2, left 1. Up 2, left 1 is also right in line. And then take my ruler, goes right on through, and don't forget arrows at the end. Okay, so that's how you use an equation in point slope form and graph the line. There is no reason for you to have to distribute the slope through there and add the y, like say here, that would be negative 1. I don't need to distribute this negative 1 through here and then add the 1 across and put in slope intercept form and then graph it. That just increases your chance for error. Okay, now you can do that, but you need to learn how to recognize point slope form and identify the point right out of there and the slope. I've just shown you 3 examples. Okay, same way every time, doesn't change. Either choose to memorize or you choose not to. It's that simple. Okay, if you have to watch the video 2 or 3 times to get it down, you watch it 2 or 3 times to get it down. Have it memorized. Okay, those are good memories. They'll have it down in 1 time. Just watching it because they saw 3 examples. That's all they need. It's done. Okay, some of you have to spend more time on it. All right, that was 8.5 minutes.